Coq au vin, French classic chicken braised in wine. Coq au vin is a legendary dish from the heart of French country cooking. Traditionally made with a rooster, coq, slowly braised in red wine with aromatic vegetables, herbs, and sometimes mushrooms and bacon, it's a soul-warming meal full of depth and rich rustic flavor. This comforting and hearty dish hails from Burgundy, where wine and local ingredients define the cuisine. Our version uses chicken and simmers it gently until tender, creating an irresistible and elegant centerpiece perfect for a French-inspired dinner. Ingredients. For this recipe you'll need 1 whole chicken, about 4 pounds, cut into 8 pieces, 2 cups of red wine, preferably Burgundy or Pinot Noir, 1 cup of chicken stock, 6 ounces of thick-cut bacon, cut into lardons, 2 tablespoons of flour, 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 large onion chopped, 2 garlic cloves minced, 2 carrots sliced into rounds, 1 bay leaf, 4 sprigs of thyme, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, 1 tablespoon of brandy, optional, 8 ounces of cremini mushrooms halved, salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste, and a handful of fresh parsley for garnish. Step 1. Brown the bacon and chicken. In a large Dutch oven or heavy pot, heat the olive oil over medium heat. Add the bacon lardons and cook until golden and crispy, about 5 to 7 minutes. Use a slotted spoon to remove the bacon and set it aside. Pat the chicken pieces dry with paper towels and season them generously with salt and pepper. In the same pot, brown the chicken in batches over medium-high heat until all sides are golden, about 4 to 5 minutes per side. Remove the brown chicken and set aside. Step 2. Sauté the vegetables. Reduce the heat to medium. In the same pot with the remaining fat, add butter and sauté the chopped onion and carrot slices for 6 to 8 minutes until softened and lightly caramelized. Add the minced garlic and cook for another minute until fragrant. Stir in the tomato paste and cook for 1 to 2 minutes to deepen the flavor. Step 3. Deglaze and simmer. Pour in the brandy, if using, and let it sizzle for a few seconds, scraping the bottom of the pot with a wooden spoon. Sprinkle the flour over the vegetables and stir well to form a light roux. Gradually add the red wine and chicken stock while stirring to avoid lumps. Return the chicken and bacon to the pot and add bay leaf and thyme. Bring everything to a gentle simmer. Step 4. Braise the chicken. Cover the pot with a lid and simmer gently over low heat for about 45 minutes to 1 hour, until the chicken is fork tender and infused with the rich wine sauce. Alternatively, you can place the pot in a 325 degrees Fahrenheit, 160 degrees Celsius oven and let it braise uncovered for 1 hour. Step 5. Sauté the mushrooms separately. While the chicken braises, heat a tablespoon of butter in a skillet over medium heat. Add the halved mushrooms and sauté for 5 to 7 minutes until golden brown and cooked through. Season lightly with salt and pepper. Set aside. Step 6. Finish and serve. Once the chicken is fully braised, remove the lid and stir in the sautéed mushrooms. Simmer uncovered for another 10 to 15 minutes to allow the sauce to reduce slightly and thicken. Adjust seasoning with salt and pepper as needed. Discard the bay leaf and thyme sprigs. Garnish with freshly chopped parsley just before serving. Coq au vin is best enjoyed over creamy mashed potatoes, buttered noodles, or crusty French bread. Conclusion. This timeless coq au vin recipe delivers deep, comforting flavors with every bite, a dish that transforms humble ingredients into an unforgettable French classic. Let each bite take you on a journey through the vineyards of Burgundy and into the heart of French culinary tradition. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, like, share, and stay updated with our latest videos.